Coming up on the hardcore Cascades. Back over here, this is the last good water source before our planned tent site. We may go a little further. Today has just been kind of a sad day. I don't know what I'm going to do with the video. I'm going to use this as the introduction. Just the whole floodplain was depressing, kind of seeing everybody's stuff all washed up in the trees. We had a couple good views of waterfalls and stuff. This looks pretty nice, but it's just been overshadowed by the disaster stuff. It's not cool. And here, let me get down in here, show off some hardcore Cascades, and then I'll let the rest of this roll on as we experienced it. Some of it I may get rid of the audio, just let it run silent because it was kind of sad. Here we are at the trailhead, day 35. GrayJay, thanks for dropping us off. Had a wonderful stay at Boots Off last night. Got a 15.9 mile day. It's like 3,400 up and 20 something down. A little longer than normal. It's nice out right now. Supposed to be showers and thunderstorms. We'll see how far we get before we get rained out. Yeah. Look at this beautiful trail work, filling in this giant root ball that fell over, made a huge hole. It's all filled in with a nice stone walkway. These trail maintainers are working hard. They are killing their butts for the love of the trail, so we can just walk through and enjoy it. Thank you, trail maintainers.
You're right behind us, dude.
Yeah, you stay back there, clouds. I don't want any of you. Go away.
Oh, they're going like this.
You got a nice little forest road up here. It looks like a tracked vehicle recently pushed through and cleared some stuff out. Which is pretty unusual to see large tracked vehicles on these roads. So maybe there was something big blew down up ahead. I don't know. Definitely evidence of heavy equipment. This is coming north out of 19E after you get up on the ridge. These trees are just snapped off all at the top. I mean, they're gone. Straight line winds just took this out. There's nothing up here. Holy moly. I think this is Isaac's cemetery. Unless it's up ahead, unless there's two. Looks like we got some downed down cables in here, so just don't be tripping on the cables. They get you every time. Yeah, this one little section by the cemetery, it's a little gooned up here. Looks like this tree recently fell and took out some wires with it. Okay, a little Comcast here. A little extra fiber optic for your day. Wires. Keeping my eye out for this. We're coming up on mile 400, huge milestone. Somewhere up here. The Far Out app says I've just kind of encroached on the 400-mile cell. It's a little hairpin turn up here. I'm thinking somebody might have put a little 400 on the ground. If not, we're gonna have to build one. Typically, they've already been manufactured, so it's here somewhere. Just gotta find it. Totally get the leave no trace thing, but much like mile 100, mile 400 is a little bit of graffiti on a blaze. I think I'm okay with that. Woo! Mile 400, man. We made it. Yeah! I keep looking on the ground. Somebody might have been creative with some different artwork. 400 miles. Oh. Wow, this floodplain looked like it was all the way under. There's trees in the trees.
Oh,
Wait,
pony.
you're not supposed to pet the ponies.
Oh, sorry.
No petting the
Some
ponies.
salt.
Oh, Salt Lick. Wow. This is hosed up down here. This is people's yards and stuff have migrated their way into the riverbed. This is crazy. This is like, here's Metro standing. Yeah, put your hands up. We're way above the riverbed.
This is 9 feet.
Look how high that is.
This is 9 feet.
Man, that's 25 feet up in the tree, and we got another 15, 20 feet down. Whoa. That's pretty cool. Here at Walnut Mountain Road, the Pops Memorial is still standing, and this looks like the surface of the moon. Great little stream here. Oh, it has a name. Laurel Fork. All right, coming into Moreland Gap shelter, and see some heads poking out. So we're gonna roll in here. Hopefully we'll get out of the rain. It's been mortally wounded, but it looks like it's got a little tarpage going on, so we may be okay. So we ended up at mile 414 at Moreland Gap shelter. The tent site that we wanted to use was occupied, and there were really no other good ones until the next shelter area. Moreland Gap shelter was heavily damaged in the storm. It's got a tarp for a roof. Because of the rain, there's people in there anyway, and it was completely full, so we are out next to it in tents, which I think is for the better. It's nice and roomy in here and dry. Yeah, pretty big day, I think it was like 18.4 miles, big day. That'll make tomorrow a little shorter. Yeah, I'm tired. Gonna eat some food, go to sleep.